Okay, folks, Wild Bill back here again. This is what we had to do. I was afraid of letting all the antifreeze out. I have a cat that loves getting under this thing to begin with. And so that bolt is really tight and was hard to get to. Now what we did, I don't know, some of you know this trick, or maybe most of you, but let's see if I can hold this thing with one hand and show you. But sorry about that. Here we go. So you have to get some leverage with this, we put this wrench on there like so, and then you can use it in that fashion to turn with. And that's how we got her done, folks. Hope that helps somebody. Have a great day.